Well, today we're in for a treat. We are reverse searing a Cowboy Ribeye Steak, and I can't wait. We're using the Kamado Joe Kettle Joe. You asked for it and we're doing it. We're using the slow roller, and then we're gonna crank up the heat and sear this ribeye, and we're also using the Meat Stick wireless digital thermometer. Let's get into the details. All right, so today we're gonna be setting up the Kamado Joe Kettle Joe using Jealous Devil charcoal. And I love using lump charcoal. This burns pure, it's clean, it doesn't really spark. It's a great natural lump charcoal, one that you might want to consider. So I have filled up our base of our charcoal basket here, and we are ready to light this puppy up. And today we're not using any kind of wood chunks, because the natural flavor of charcoal on a steak, in my opinion, is awesome. And we don't need to add anything else to it, so let's light it up. Well, now that we've got the grill up to 250 to 300 for the reverse sear, we've got this thick cowboy cut ribeye steak. I've already got the digital thermometer in there. I have dry brined this with a salt brine for 5 hours. It just is gonna pull out all the different moisture and pull it right back in, and it's gonna be tasting great. And all we're gonna do is add a little bit of binder and then some coarse ground pepper. So you don't taste the hot sauce here, but it definitely is going to give it a nice smoke flavor. And then off camera, I'll flip and do the other side, and we'll put it on the grill. All right, friends, we are at that 115 to 120 internal temperature. Yep, that's just telling me that it's reached the temperature I want. And we're gonna remove the slow roller and then crank up the heat, and then we're ready to sear. What I've done now is I have lowered the Kettle Joe to the back of the adjustment. Everything's lowered the grill grates to the very bottom of the divide and conquer. I'm adding grill grates so I can get the grill grate marks on my steak. I'm gonna shut this so that we can get up to searing temperatures of around 500 degrees, 550, and we will be ready to go. All right, friends, we are at 550 degrees. We are ready to sear. Ooh, buddy. This is hot. Oh yeah. I'm gonna bring you in and show you how we're gonna get these grill grate marks on the steaks, and let's do it. All right, friends, we've got our steak here. We took it to 120, and it's up to probably 122, 125 as it rose in temperature. And now we are going to put it on the grill grates 45 degrees for 30 seconds, 45 or 30 seconds the other direction. So let's do it. Hear that sizzle, baby. Now it's time to flip the other direction for the sear. Ooh, buddy, it's hot. And again, I've got cotton gloves and also some nitrile gloves on here to make it nice and manageable, but it's still hot. Look at those incredible grill marks. The flame is coming up. We're gonna go ahead and take the steak off, let it rest, and slice. All right, friends, we've let this rest for 10 minutes, and now we're gonna cut into this. And again, this is bone in right here, and I'm gonna try to see if I can just cut that part off real quick. Ooh, there we go. And I'm gonna go right in the middle to see how we did. Oh yeah, there we go. See if we can cut a piece here. Well, there you have it. We accomplished a reverse sear with that Cowboy Ribeye Steak. I think we did a pretty darn good job of the sear marks. We got to that medium to medium rare, depending on portions of the steak. I thought it was really well done. Not literally well done, but it just tasted great, as you heard me earlier as I sliced into it. It looks so good. Can't wait to get off camera and feed some of this to my family and friends. If videos like this were helpful for you, like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Let me know what you thought of this video. And setting up the Kettle Joe was really helpful for you. We can also do different style of indirect cooks on here, showing you the versatility without the slow roller. If that's something you want to see, put it in the comments, let me know. Otherwise, put me some ideas in the comments as well of things that you'd like me to do, to experiment with. I would love to hear from you. Otherwise, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue.